of things at one time? No way. Come on, pick it up there, Boomer. I don't know what you think. Yeah, Boomer did a really good job. Yay! Good job, Boomer! Boomer's a great guy. He does a lot of things, but given his, performance at the moment, I'm not going to include anything else. But he can do a lot of things. He has to practice them a little bit more. But Boomer, we love you a lot. He has a lot of personality, and he learns things very quickly. But just like our kids, they have to practice to get good at them. It takes a long time, okay? Woo! Look at those wings. He likes to flap. He likes to do this. Woo! These are his hobbies, okay? He's like a bird. He's like a living spinner right there. Woo! Boomer! Woo! Wow, so good looking, huh? Yay, Boomer! Yay, Boomer! Hi, Boomer! You're just gonna hang out there? That's fine, you can do that. All right, so Boomer's gonna hang out there for a second. He's unwinding. He's a free spirit, what can I say? Everybody's different. This is our next bird. His name is Forrest. He's tied. He's a dedicated performer. We can always count him for. Forrest, a beautiful macaw. He doesn't like to fly. And it's hard to kind of explain that. But first of all, these birds are not even from the jungle. They're from California. They never flew because they never learned from their parents. So flying is not the thing that they really want to do, unless their life depends on it. And then if they have to fly, they don't know what they're doing. It's like your kids driving the car without hands. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands, everybody. Good job. Come on, everybody, keep clapping. Come on, Gordon. You can do it, Gordon.
Do it all the way around.
Oh, too windy. Too windy. Yeah. Almost didn't make it, right? Fight the wind. Good job, Gordon. You did it. Good boy. Let's hear for Happy Birds, everybody. Hey. Happy Birds are happy because they get a lot of love and attention from their owners and parents. So Ed and I dedicate our lives so much that we're